how to fix Binance face verification problem. So if you want to fix your Binance face verification problem, then just watch this video. Now, in order to use Binance application, you need to verify your application is updated. So to do that, you need to just open up your Play Store, go with your search, and from search, you need to search for Binance. And after searching for Binance, if you have any updates on your Binance, you just need simply go and update it, because it's the first and foremost step. After updating your Binance, you need to tap on open, which will be on the right side, and then open up your Binance application. So basically what happens is that if you're facing an issue with the face verification, then basically when you are trying to verify, you just need simply click on the verify identity, and then you want to go ahead and make sure to check your internet connection. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you are in a well-lit place, that you've enabled your camera access, and once you've done it, you should be able to take a photo or take a selfie so that you could complete your face verification. But if it shows error, then it means there's some issue, which can be a lighting issue, or maybe the face does not match with the photo that you've submitted, or it might be that your camera is blocked, or you could always go and check your permission. So first thing you can do is just simply go back from your Binance application and then tap and hold on to your Binance application for a few seconds. Go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with the storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go with the permissions. Under permissions, as you can see that in my case, I have no permissions allowed. In your case, if it's the same, you need to just simply go with the camera and allow the camera access. So allow while using the application. Once done, now your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.